So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install FC Mobile on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then from here, use the search function and you want to type in FC Mobile. You should see it listed in the search results, so simply tap on it and confirm that it's by Electronic Arts. Then once you've done that, tap on Get to start the installation process. From here, you need to confirm your identity using either your Face ID or your Apple account password. And once you've entered in your password, just tap on Sign In to authorize the installation of the game. So simply wait for the game to be installed onto your phone. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. And now you can start playing FC Mobile on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.